Hello everyone, my name is Vandana Lalwani. I work in the television industry and I'm also a voiceover artist. And today I have come to Hairfree and Hairgrow Andheri branch Mumbai for a solution for my hair issues. I have thinning hair, so I've come to do the hair PRP. And I met Dr. Nipun here. He's recommended the Biotin PRP for my hair. So as you can see, I had got the anesthesia applied and a little bit of needle pricks, which I did not feel at all. I think he's a smooth pricker. So it was a complete painless procedure. I have absolutely no feeling of any kind of pain, and I think I had like around 40 pricks and not one I know about. And then let's hope for amazing hair results.